Hi, everybody. I'm David Ratti. I'm here with Nick Taylor. We're with the Ratti lending team at Envoy Mortgage, and we're here to share some information on a really exciting new program called the Cash Edge. Nick, why don't you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, absolutely. So the best example is to give an example. So here we have a seller listing a house for 595. They've received 3 offers. Each person submitting an offer believes they have the best, but I'm going to explain to you why our cash edge will beat these other 2 out. So firstly, we have our cash edge offer. Our buyer's so confident they're going to go in below listing price at 590,000. They're confident because they have no contingencies, no financing contingency, no appraisal, and they're already approved by an underwriter. What this means is normally when your offer is accepted, you then go into the underwriting stage as buyer 2 and 3 will. Our buyer doesn't have to do that. So it's an even stronger offer because we've done the due diligence. Lastly, it's a guaranteed closing. When that offer is accepted, we at Envoy, we at the Ratti lending team are guaranteeing it will close and it will close on time. For buyer 2, they're going to go in a little above list. That's going to give them a slight advantage on, other offers supposedly. However, they are contingent on financing and they're contingent on the appraisal saying that the house is worth the 600,000. So those are both risks that seller is going to have to take if they accept that offer. Buyer 3 is going to go in at 615. They're going to go in a little above list price again, and they're going to waive the appraisal, so no appraisal contingency. However, they're still contingent that the financing is going to come through and work out. Like I said, they have to go through the underwriting process. So in this case, even though we're a little below list, our offer comes in the strongest for almost all sellers. Dave, why don't you give us an example of how this benefits the sellers as well?
Sure. It benefits both buyers and sellers. For the buyers, it's a cash offer. It's as good as a cash offer. And what that means is if for any reason the financing has an issue, we will pay cash for the house on behalf of the buyer, guaranteed closing. So it enables the buyer to waive their financing and appraisal contingencies. It's just a much stronger contract and very, very much more attractive to a seller. And this is why a lot of our listing partners actually will put in the comments of the listing that their seller prefers a cash or Envoy Cash Edge offer because it's a guaranteed closing. It removes any of the question marks that go on between contract and close. The bottom line is it's a guaranteed closing for the seller as well as the buyer. If you want more information, please look us up at rattilending.com. Happy to share.
Thanks. Have a good one.